Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook eggs in different ways. Let's start with poaching. For a perfectly poached egg, bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer. Add about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to the water. This helps the egg white set quickly. Crack a very fresh egg into a small bowl, then gently slide it into the simmering water. Cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes for a beautifully runny yolk and firm white. Remove with a slotted spoon and serve immediately. Next up, let's master fluffy scrambled eggs. For every 2 eggs, whisk in about 1 tablespoon of milk or cream until just combined. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat with a knob of butter. Pour in the egg mixture and let it sit for about 30 seconds before gently pushing the cooked edges towards the center. Continue this process, stirring gently until the eggs are mostly set but still slightly moist. Remove from heat, season, and enjoy. Now for a classic fried egg. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat with about 1 tablespoon of butter or oil. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, carefully crack an egg directly into the pan. For a sunny-side-up egg, cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the whites are set and the yolk is still runny. You can also baste the yolk with hot butter for a slightly firmer top. Season with salt and pepper. Finally, let's talk about boiled eggs, both soft and hard. Place your eggs in a pot and cover them with cold water by about 1 inch. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. For a soft-boiled egg with a jammy yolk, cook for 6 minutes. For a firm, hard-boiled egg, cook for 10 minutes. Immediately transfer the cooked eggs to an ice bath to stop the cooking process and make them easier to peel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.